Your English teacher Bhumika Shah welcomes you all back to another session of your English online classes. So my dear students, if you remember in our previous class we were dealing with the poem If, yes, and we did the exercise questions as well, we did the word meanings and answer the following. So in our today's class we will do the next exercise questions, and yes, you have to write those questions and answers in your notebook as well. So without wasting the time, take out your notebook, textbook, wear your headphones and get ready for today's class. So students, if you remember, this way we began writing our notes, and you have to write down these notes as this is a part of reader book, right? So you have to write down these notes in your reader notebook, okay? Separate English reader notebook. Okay, now if you remember, we wrote the index, and in our previous classes we did the introduction, word meaning and the answer the following, right? We did this much. Now in today's class we will deal with write one word for and circle the odd one out. These two things we are going to deal in today's class. Okay, so now let's begin this. So these were the four answer the followings we did. Now students, do one thing. First of all, write down all these questions. Okay, from your textbook, write down all these questions. One who makes buildings, leave one line. One who manages an organization. That will be quick for you. Okay, first of all, pause the video and write down these questions. Okay, and also these questions, circle the odd one out. Okay, like this, write down the questions. It will be easy for you then to write down. Okay, just pause the video and write down all these questions. Now coming to the answers. So write one word for. So here the questions are given, and in one word you have to give the answer. Okay, so take a look. The question is one who makes buildings. So students, tell me who makes buildings. We studied in our poem also. Who makes buildings? Buildings कौन बनाते हैं? Engineer, right? So we will write engineer here. ENGINEER. Engineer. Okay, remember, one who makes buildings. I would be making buildings if I had been an engineer, right? Now the second question, one who manages an organization. One who manages an organization. कोई अगर एक organization को manage करते हैं तो students हम उसे क्या कहते हैं? Manager. Okay, MANAGER. Manager. Manages an organization is known as manager. Okay, now coming to the third, one who sells medicines. One who sells medicines. What he is known as? जो medicines बेचते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं students? We call them as chemist. We call them as chemist. So we will write as CHEMIST. Chemist. We will write chemist. One who sells medicines is known as chemist. Okay, now look, one who drives the bus. One who drives the bus, जो bus चलाते हैं. So students, one who manages an organization is known as manager. One who drives the bus is known as driver. Yes, driver. Very good. DRIVER. Driver. Okay. Now the fifth, one who flies an aeroplane. अब बताओ aeroplane जो उड़ाता है उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं students? What we say, जो गाड़ी चलाते हैं उन्हें तो हमने driver कह दिया. Those who drives the bus, we call them driver. So what we call to those who flies an aeroplane? We call them, tell me, we call them as pilot. 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 We call them as pilot. One who flies an aeroplane is known as pilot. Okay, now we will deal with the second part of our today's exercise, that is circle the odd one out. Circle the odd one out. तो इसमें क्या करते हैं students? कुछ terms दिए हुए हैं, some words are given, and if they are similar to each other, okay, then most probably they are having a relationship with each other. Now one word will be there which is different from them, and that one we will circle them. Okay, first see the first question. Teacher, principal, librarian, shopkeeper. Now see, think of it, what can be the odd one here? See here, teacher, where you find a teacher? Teacher in a school. Where you find a principal is also in school. Librarian is also in school. But a shopkeeper Is a shopkeeper available in your school? No, a shopkeeper is not available in school. He is not at all related to your school works, right? So that's why who is the odd one here? The shopkeeper. So what you have to do? You have to circle the shopkeeper, because here the shopkeeper is the odd one. Okay, now coming to the second question. See, in the second one, the four terms are pilot, soldier, air hostess and steward. So just now we studied who is a pilot. Pilot is the one who flies an aeroplane, right? Now who is a soldier? Soldier is the one who serves us, who is in the defense force, who is in army, are known as soldier. Now who is an air hostess? Air hostess are the ones who serves us in the plane. एरोप्लेन में जो हमें हेल्प करते हैं, हमें सर्व करते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? एयर हॉस्टेस, राइट? सिमिलरली who is a steward? Steward is the one who also helps us in the aeroplane, okay, who helps the passengers in the aeroplane. So if you can see here, students, all these three, pilot is also related with aeroplane, air hostess and steward, these three are all related to aeroplane. But soldier, is soldier related to aeroplane? No, he is the one who also serves us, but he fights for us, or who is in army, right? He is not related with the aeroplane. So that's why who is the odd one here? The odd one is soldier. So we will circle the soldier because he is the odd one. We have to odd one out, right? Now coming to the next question of this same topic. Now see here, detective, doctor, ward boy and nurse. So detective किसे कहते हैं students? जासूस या spy, right? Now then doctor, डॉक्टर तो सब जानते हो, डॉक्टर जो हमारे इलाज करते हैं. वार्ड बॉय, वार्ड बॉय इज द वन हु हेल्प्स अस और हु सर्व्स द पीपल इन द हॉस्पिटल. Okay, ward boy. And nurse, nurse is also the same. Nurse is someone in the hospital who serves us, who helps us and manages in the hospital. Now if you will observe, doctor, ward boy and nurse are all related to the hospital and medical line, right? But detective, no. So who is the odd one here? Detective. So we will circle the term detective. Okay, now the fourth question, take a look. Inspector, constable, leader and police commissioner. This I have given more gap. You won't give this much gap. This is one together term, police commissioner. So if you observe here, inspector is the one who is in police station. Constable is also one who can be found in the police station. Leader kind of political leader who are involved with the political things. Now police commissioner is also one who is available in the police station. So can you see who is the odd one out here? Yes, you are right. The odd one is leader. Okay, because all three, inspector, constable and police commissioner, are available in the police station, but leader, no. So who is the odd one here? Leader. Okay students, now the last question for today's class. See, accountant, cashier, manager and firefighter. Accountant is the one who manages the accounts in the bank. Cashier is the one who counts or take care of the cash in a bank. Manager is the one who manages everything in the bank. Okay, now who is the firefighter? Firefighter who helps to shut off the fire. कहीं आग लग गई है तो आग बुझाने के लिए कौन हेल्प करता है? Firefighter. Now you can see here again students, three terms, accountant, cashier and manager. These three terms are related with the bank, but is firefighter related with the bank? No. So who is the odd one here? Firefighter. Okay, so he will circle the firefighter. So my dear students, with this we completed our today's class. We completed the exercise questions and completed this lesson, the poem If. We did one word and circle the odd one out today. So my dear students, your work will be to complete the notes, write down these things in your notebook, and yes, these answers: engineer, manager, chemist, driver and pilot. Write these words 5 times in your rough notebook and memorize the spellings of these words. Yes, इन जो words जो लिखे हैं ना हम लोगों ने, इनको आपको 5 times लिख के उसके spelling को अच्छे से याद करना है और आंसर भी याद करना है कि किस क्वेश्चन में क्या आंसर आएगा. Okay, and in a previous class I already told you to memorize the question answers as well, right? Question answers and word meaning. So complete doing that as well. Your teacher will be back again in the next class, my dear students. Till then, take care. Goodbye.